Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. I have some exciting things I want to announce that I have coming up in the next little while. I will be doing a video comparison on some of the different iridescent and pearl mediums that I have used. I also have an exciting 5-part series coming up where I have split a 36-inch canvas into 4 quarters and painted 4 different techniques. And then the 5th video will be the final results, all varnished and ready to hang on my wall. Here's a little sneak peek at those upcoming videos. Okay, technique number 2, all set up and ready to go. I will be painting again, always on this bottom corner. I'll just rotate my canvas. Super excited. As well, at the end of each month, you will get to see a video starring my partner, James. Him and I have done some collaborations with some other fabulous artists, and I've had a lot of requests for more videos that include him. He's absolutely hilarious, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those crazy videos. They're so much fun. Okay, let's get into this fun flip and lip. Enjoy, everyone.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Really out by the ocean, and all of those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and